Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to test Stripe payment. In this guide, we're going to go through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way so you can understand exactly how testing works before going live. Now, testing your payments is a really important step because it helps you make sure everything is working correctly without using real money. It allows you to simulate transactions, check if payments go through, and catch any issues early on before your customers ever see them. A lot of people skip or rush this part, but taking a few extra minutes here can save you from major problems later. So in this video, I'll make sure to keep things clear, straightforward, and easy to follow, even if this is your first time using Stripe. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident testing your payments and making sure everything is set up properly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Stripe dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage payments, customers, and all your transaction activity. Now, if you want to switch to the sandbox, also known as test mode, look at the top left side of the screen and click on your profile or workspace section. From there, hover over the option that says Switch to Sandbox. You'll then have the option to either create a new sandbox environment or manage an existing one. This is important because it allows you to test payments without using real money. Once you're in test mode, move over to the right-hand side of the screen and click the plus icon. This is where you can create different types of transactions. You'll see several options like invoice, subscription, payment link, payment, or payout. For this video, go ahead and select payment. After that, a new screen will appear where you can choose the type of payment. You can set it as a one-time payment or a recurring payment depending on your needs. For this example, we'll keep it simple and choose a one-time payment. Next, enter the amount. Let's set it to $4 just for testing purposes. Now, when it comes to entering card details, make sure you do not use your real card. Instead, open a new tab and search for Stripe Docs. Inside the documentation, navigate to the testing section. There, you'll find a list of test card numbers you can safely use. You'll notice that each test card number also shows the card brand next to it, like Visa or MasterCard. Just copy one of those test numbers and paste it into the card number field. Once you've filled in all the required details, go ahead and click the option at the top that says Submit Payment. And just like that, you've successfully created a test payment in Stripe without using any real money. And that's pretty much how you can test payments in Stripe. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is, and using the sandbox mode makes it completely safe to experiment without any real transactions. Testing like this is really important because it helps you make sure everything is working exactly the way you expect before going live. It also gives you a chance to catch any small issues early, which can save you a lot of time and trouble later on. So take your time, try out different payment types, and get comfortable with how everything works. The more you practice in test mode, the more confident you'll be when you start handling real payments. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.